Hello, good morning and welcome to today's weather forecast. Moisture is still blowing from the ocean into the southern parts of the country, but the northern sector is still under the influence of dry and dusty winds, and so we expect that within the forecast period, the northern sector will be hazy with dryness. Temperature will rise to about 38-39 degrees Celsius for most parts of the northern sector, but for the southern half, we expect temperature to range between 35 and 37 degrees Celsius for the middle sector, and then around 32-33 degrees Celsius for the coastal sector. We'll be seeing partly cloudy conditions in that part of the country. Later in the evening, we expect pockets of rains in the southwestern parts of the country, so Takrade, Axim, Enchi and their environs, as well as those in the eastern region, Kufuridia, Akemoda and their environs, will see pockets of rains, but this rains will be for some few areas in these places. Tomorrow morning, we expect misty conditions along the coast of the country, Accra, Tema, to Takrade, and then we expect fog patches for areas closer to Kufuridia, Akemoda, as well as those closer to Takwa, Enchi, Hafasini, which will reduce visibilities early tomorrow morning. Temperature will drop to around 24-25 degrees Celsius for most parts of the southern half of the country, and then for the northern half of the country, we expect temperature to drop to about 23-24 degrees Celsius for tomorrow morning. The northern half will still be in hazy conditions early tomorrow morning. But for your outlook for the weekend, we expect Accra to be under the influence of southerly winds blowing from the ocean quite strong, about 15 knots, temperature rising to about 33 degrees Celsius. We'll be seeing some clouds here and there and pockets of rains, especially in the northern parts of the city. And then for Kumasi, we expect some southwesterly winds affecting these areas, temperature rising to about 35 degrees Celsius, few clouds here and there. And then for Tamale, they will still be under the influence of dry and dusty conditions, temperature will rise to about 39 degrees Celsius for this part of the country. They'll be seeing more of northeasterly winds affecting these areas. That will be all for your forecast. See you same time next week.